Are you trying to get to the root cause of your health issue? You may need to invest in a health tracking app or at least have a place to track your patterns. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dr. Erica
I'm a
Steele,
board
certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school so you don't have to, combining science with spirit as a holistic doctor. So people who track their symptoms are up to 80% more likely to identify their health triggers and improve faster. Why? Because we don't guess, we test. And so once you have that tracking information, you can then determine what you need to change, what foods you need to correct, etc. And so let's compare paper-based symptom logs to digital tracking tools like the Holistic Life app so you can choose the best fit for your lifestyle. So first things first, with a paper tracker, it gives simplicity, it's cost-free, and it provides that hands-on tactile learning. When you're using an app, though, you get lots of benefits like graphs, trends, integrations, reminders, the work. So I really recommend kind of starting with that paper tracking, getting into the hang of it, and then upgrading to app, just like the Holistic Life app. And so there's lots of different tools that work best for different types of learners, like visual ones, tactile, text-based learners. So you have to decide what's most important to you, to have a visual element, a tactile element, or a tech-based element. Also, too, when we start to look at our symptoms over time, it can help us determine what those root causes are to make actionable health strategies. If you are not aware of what actionable health strategies are available, perhaps you can join our Intro to Holistic Medicine 2 class, Detoxification and Elimination, where we go over all different signs, symptoms, patterns to help you get to the bottom of what may be going on with your digestive system so that you can heal and detox naturally. Go ahead and grab that free symptom tracker, or also too, you can try our Holistic Life app completely for free so that you can assess what best fits your lifestyle journey. As always, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe below to let us know that you are interested more in holistic medicine.